Hey fans, welcome back. Discover the incredible utility and convenience of these amazing tools that will revolutionize your daily life. From smart gadgets to time-saving devices, explore why owning these tools sooner rather than later is a game changer. Introducing the CERN PX expansion tool, a versatile powerhouse that's a game changer on any construction site. This all-in-one tool is your go-to solution for polymer pipe installation and offers a myriad of practical applications. Crafted with precision, the CERN PX expansion tool boasts cleverly locking teeth and a blunt nose, ensuring seamless operation and perfectly gradual expansion. Plus, its marked rings allow for quick referencing, making your job even easier. Whether you're working manually or with power tools, in any weather condition, this tool delivers top-notch, air-free expansion every time. And here's the kicker. It saves you precious time on your projects, making it worth every penny of its $90 price tag. Don't miss out on adding this essential tool to your kit. Zuper Rebar Cutter, a game-changer in modern construction tools that's earning its spot on the must-have list. This revolutionary tool has completely transformed the rebar cutting game. Imagine cutting through rebar up to 8 inches or 20 millimeters thick in under 5 seconds flat. That's unheard of. With its ingeniously designed cutting head that rotates a full 360 degrees, it can navigate even the tightest spaces with ease. But here's the kicker. Unlike traditional cutters, the Zuper Rebar Cutter doesn't produce sparks, ensuring safety in any situation. It's the go-to choice for emergency relief efforts. At $588, this cutting-edge tool is worth every penny for its unmatched speed, precision, and safety features. Say goodbye to tedious cutting and hello to efficiency with the Zuper Rebar Cutter. Maco Fluid Evacuator, a game-changer for car owners faced with the hassle of bleeding their brakes. Traditionally, this task requires 2 people, but not anymore. With this pump, you can tackle it solo, saving you the trouble of finding a helper or making a trip to the repair shop. Plus, it's trusted by professionals, so you know it's up to the task. Equipped with a 2-meter hose, a shoot-off valve to prevent leaks, and a mini cap for swift fluid disposal, this vacuum tool is designed for convenience and efficiency. At around $300, it's an investment that pays off in saved time and hassle. Say goodbye to brake bleeding woes with the Matco Fluid Evacuator. RP50, your ultimate tool for conducting thorough inspections on water pipes and tanks to ensure top-notch quality. Designed by Rothenberger, the RP50 is engineered for swift and precise testing of piping systems. Simply connect it to your system, and it immediately starts ramping up the pressure. It can reach a maximum pressure of 60 bar, increasing by 1 bar per step. For even more precise tests, you can reduce the maximum pressure to 16 bar and the step to 0.1 bar, utilizing a specialized pressure gauge. The RP50's steel braid hoses prevent errors in measurements caused by expansion, ensuring higher measurement accuracy. While its appearance may not be flashy, this device fits seamlessly into our tech-savvy world. It effortlessly sends all measurement results to gadgets like tablets and smartphones. And rest assured, durability and stability are top priorities. The RP50 is constructed from corrosion-resistant steel, ensuring it can handle drops exceptionally well from a reasonable height. Modular Dollies by DUP, these vibrant yellow parts offer a customizable building experience that's not just fun, but incredibly practical. Each DUP kit, whether in the larger or mini version, feels like a real toy, with the larger one weighing 4 pounds and the smaller one just 3.5 pounds. But don't let their toy-like appearance fool you. Assembling these mobile platforms is a breeze. Simply snap the parts together, add the rubber wheels, and attach any extras like a handle for easier carrying. And voila, your dolly is ready to transport your belongings with ease. While at first glance, you might question their ability to handle heavy loads, rest assured, these dollies are tougher than they look. The 2-part version can manage loads up to 165 pounds, while the mini version can transport up to 220 pounds thanks to their sturdy wheels and robust construction. With the 165 pounds capacity version priced at $53 and the mini version at $48, The investment is well worth the energy and time saved during your moving tasks. Evolution Cordless Torch Light, a versatile work companion that's at home in various settings, whether it's your personal workshop or a weekend camping trip. This torch boasts two brightness settings, making it adaptable to different tasks. With its 90-degree adjustable pivoting head, you can direct the light where you need it most. And here's the kicker. It runs for a solid 5 hours on a single charge, impressive for a device priced at just $50. But wait, there's more. With its quick charge capability, you can fully juice up the battery in just half an hour, ensuring minimal downtime. Weighing in at around 350 grams and featuring a couple of lanyards, you can easily hang the torch on a wall or clip it onto your belt for hands-free convenience. HSS Higher Post Puller. While the previous models on our list were undoubtedly handy, the HSS Higher Post Puller kicks things up a notch. Meet the M70 model, the cream of the crop. With an astounding pulling force of 8,800 pounds or 4,000 kilograms, it's a force to be reckoned with. This powerhouse can handle posts and hefty objects up to 24 inches or 60 centimeters in size. When you need serious muscle power, this is the tool you can count on. Its incredible strength comes at a price, though, $2,149. But trust us, it's worth every penny for the jobs it can tackle. Albian Ribbon Bead Nozzle. This tool is here to revolutionize the way you apply liquid-based materials. Whether you're working with sealant, putty, liquid waterproofing, or anything similar, the ribbon bit nozzle will make your job a breeze. Its stand-up feature, adjustability. With this handy tool, you can easily apply a neat layer that's either 1.8 inches thick or 2 inches wide. But wait, there's more. With a quick adjustment using your utility knife, you can increase this to a 4-inch wide layer. Each single nozzle offers 5 different size variations, making application tasks incredibly easy. And the best part, it's super lightweight, with its plastic body weighing just 25 pounds. And guess what? It's incredibly affordable too, priced at only $7 per applicator nozzle.